Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is an extra video, or this week you get an extra video because I'm going to do a giveaway. Hey, I haven't done one in a while. I was looking at my videos and I was like, oh my goodness, it's been like months. It's crazy. So I'm here with a giveaway for you guys. This is my way of saying thank you for supporting me, watching my videos. Like, I love when you guys comment. It makes my day. I mean, when we have conversations about like blushes that just got launched, or, you know, share ideas about like, you know, foundation, skincare. Like, I like that. I feel like, you know, I know YouTube can be a place where it comes off like it can be superficial sometimes, and I get it because, you know, nobody knows each other on a personal level. But I don't know. I feel like this is my place where I can go to, where I have friends that I can talk to about makeup, because I don't have that in my everyday life. I don't. So the fact that there's other people out there that are passionate about makeup, or just, I don't know, you get excited because there's a new launch, and I get excited because there's a new launch, and we can just talk about it, makes my day. You have no idea. Like, from the bottom of my heart, it makes me smile. You know, I talk to my husband sometimes. I'm like, oh, you know, this, because, you know, I go by your username. You know, be like, oh, you know, such and such, you know, she suggested this, so I'm going to try it. And, you know, it's nice. I enjoy it very much. So I just want to say thank you for that. And you guys want to know what's in the giveaway. You're like, okay, Anna, enough rambling. So a couple of my favorites, a couple of things that I've never tried, but I picked up just to kind of throw into a giveaway. So first thing is going to be the Physicians Formula, the Brightening. It's like a clay mask. I've heard good things about this. Next is the Inky List. I don't know how to say this, but it's for hyperpigmentation. I've had a couple of you ask me questions about like dark spots and everything, so I think this would be a perfect fit for you guys. One of my favorite things in the world is the Ordinary, the AHA 30% and BHA peeling solution. I use this twice a week. It has made such a huge improvement on my skin. I have textured skin. I had like a ton of closed comedones here. That helps me a lot. Do not leave this on more than 10 minutes. Don't do it. If you can't do 10 minutes, as long as, if you, like when you start off and you put it on, do like a thin layer. And if you can only hold it for 2 minutes or 3 minutes, that's fine. Wash it off. When you try again, try to do like 4 minutes. But if you can't do the full 10 minutes, it's okay. Just, you get the benefits still. Obviously, you get the full benefits for full 10 minutes, but you can work your skin up to that. It doesn't burn. You're going to have like a tingly sensation, but that's normal. Now, if it's like super unbearable, just stop. Okay? And if you have a little cut on your face or you scratch the pimple, it will show you. Okay? Because it starts to sting a little bit. The Bobbi Brown lip tint, the extra. This is in the shade Bare Raspberry. I'm going to show you the shade. I'm not going to swatch it. So it's this. It's a tinted lip balm. And last but not least, a recent favorite is going to be the Egyptian Magic, the cream. I like to use this on my face at night, like after my skincare. And I also like to use it underneath my makeup, a thin layer. You don't have to go too heavy. If you have dry skin, you will really appreciate this. Now, you can use it anywhere in your body. I like it on my face. I just prefer it on my face. So that is the giveaway. I wish you guys the best of luck. The rules are, you need to be subscribed to my channel. You have to like the video. Leave a comment down. What's your favorite skincare product? For extra like bonus, you can follow me on Instagram and on TikTok. So my Instagram name, my TikTok name is the same as here. It's ANARECZYNSKI. I will announce a winner November 6th. So when it comes to announcing the winner, I will announce it on the community tab here. And I will also announce it on Instagram. That way you know. And then you can email me your information and everything, because I have my email on my YouTube. The other thing that I will say is that the giveaway is open to United States residents, domestic, because I'm shipping it out myself. So outside of the US, it's very expensive to ship, and I can't ship to Hawaii or Alaska. I'm really sorry. It's just more affordable for me to ship within the US. So I hope you guys understand. And yeah, so I wish you guys luck, and I can't wait to read your comments. I would not be here without your support, your comments, and you guys motivating me to continue to post and, you know, having this like love of makeup amongst us. So thank you so much. I hope you guys have an amazing day. Bye.